Begin with a clear goal, create a demo account in Metatrader 5, then use the platform to practice with virtual funds safely. Before opening anything, confirm that you have Metatrader 5 installed and know which broker server you want to use for the demonstration. Open the official account opening guide to review the available workflow. This page introduces the account dialog and the information Metatrader 5 requests. A demo account requires accurate identity details, a selected broker, and a valid email address, so gather those items before starting the setup. Use real contact information where the broker requests it, because confirmation messages or account credentials may depend on those details being correct. Review the official requirements section for account fields and registration conditions. The exact choices can vary by broker, so follow the displayed instructions. Pay attention to account type, leverage, and deposit settings. These options configure the simulation and should match the practice scenario you intend to study. Do not assume every option is available everywhere. Broker servers can impose different limits, instruments, or verification rules within Metatrader 5. Use the account management documentation to understand available account types, server selection, and the limits that may apply after registration. Now launch Metatrader 5 and choose the command for opening a new account. Select the broker server, choose Demo, and complete each requested field carefully. Review the summary before finishing. Check your name, email, account type, leverage, and virtual deposit, then submit only when the details are correct. Consult the authorization guide after setup to learn how Metatrader 5 uses login, password, investor password, and server information for access. If the platform provides credentials, store them securely and avoid sharing passwords. Then sign in through the platform using the assigned server. Finish by confirming the account appears in Metatrader 5 and that market data loads. If access fails, recheck the login, password, and server. For final review, use the official download page for the supported Metatrader 5 terminal and return to the documentation when you need account help.